This is a demonstration video for the Commodore US Vic Slim computer that I will be listing on eBay. I purchased the computer 5-6 years ago when they first announced it. It'll come in the original Commodore USA box, branded. I purchased it as a collector's item. It's basically a PC with a dual-core Atom 500 series chip in it with hyper-threading. So to the OS, it looks like it's 4 CPUs. The computer is in good shape. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Let's let's zoom in here. There we go. Commodore logo right there, and on the keyboard, there we go, where the Windows key normally would be, our Commodore logo keys. The computer has a 400 gig hard disk installed and 2 gig of memory. I have loaded it with Linux Mint, the current edition, the OEM load, so it comes up, well, once I click the icon, it will come up as it would come from a factory for a new user configuration with everything working, all the drivers for Linux work with all the items on the machine, the Wi-Fi works, networking works, and all that. This is a Commodore branded USB mouse that comes with it. It has a little bit of wear. I mean, I did use it, but right there is the Commodore logo, and I'll clean that up a little bit. But I'm going to do a demonstration that the machine does function. Okay, we're booting up. The monitor is not included in the auction. It will just be the original contents of the box, the computer. There wasn't any documentation really with it. The power adapter, the Commodore branded mouse, the 2 gig of RAM, and the hard disk loaded with Linux Mint, ready to go out of the box. Commodore US went out of business before they completed their Vision OS, which was based on Linux Mint anyway, but I haven't been able to find it anywhere out on the net, unfortunately. It's a useful little machine. It's fast enough. I have another video where I gave an overview of it when it first came out that really shows off the performance. But here we go. As you can see, it does work fine. Load Firefox. It's connected to my wireless network. It's a little slow because it's still booting. Yeah, see, there's the little intro splash. And let's try Firefox again. There we go. Mozilla Firefox. We'll go over to the CNN site. I wonder if I have a CPU monitor. There you can see the CPU status shows 4 CPUs. There's actually 2 cores, hyper-threaded. Memory 580 meg of 1.9 gig available in use. So fully functional machine. It would make a usable computer although, as I said, I purchased it for its collectability, even though it's not a retro Commodore machine. It is Commodore branded. It was a product released by Commodore USA, so it does have a certain legacy or a certain membership in that facet of computer history. Anyway, happy bidding. Good luck on the auction. Bye-bye.